Okay, now let's explain. You may remember from the Dow Theory classical video that the lows and highs of the last completed secondary reaction was an alternative way to derive buy and sell signals. The same happens under the Dow Theory for the 21st century. In this case, let's imagine we have a bear market, as you can see, lower highs, lower lows, confirmed, so this is a bear market. And then we have here, this is the last completed. And I say completed because there were lower lows after this reaction. And then we pay attention to the lows here of the last completed secondary reaction. So we have the situation, and then we have a rally. Under normal circumstances, we will get something like this. We have a secondary reaction against the bear market, then we had this small pullback, and then we would have the breakup, confirmed, and then we would have the buy signal. But sometimes the market really misbehaves, they don't oblige, and instead of getting the usual setup, the S&P continues marching higher, and the same happens with the other indexes. So what happens in this case? The very same thing I explained in the previous video. We have to pay attention to the highs of the last completed secondary reaction. This is a bear market, this is a secondary reaction, this is a secondary reaction, confirmed. We have lower lows, which means this is a terminated, a completed secondary reaction. And then if the S&P breaks above the highs of the last completed secondary reaction, and in this case, both industrials and the transportation confirms, here we require triple confirmation. If the three indexes confirm, then we get a buy signal. This happens around 10% of the time, also in the Dow Theory, and this is the second way we have to derive buy and sell signals.